Hey guys, we're here at the F1 Hotel Manila and well, we're spending the night here. It's actually the post-Christmas party ng KTG, the Kain Tulog Gang. Dito kami matutulog ngayon. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang F1 Hotel, matagal na namin suki yan for parties, gatherings ng KTG. And this is probably our third, fourth year na dito tayo tuwing may Christmas party. Yeah, laging may Christmas party dito ang KTG, the KTG gang. So, actually yes, yun nga palang story. Sige, pakikwento nga.
No, F1 is the home of the KTG group. Dito nabuo yung group namin, yung foodie group namin.
Oh, there it is. You're complete.
Hey!
You're complete. Hi, Rob.
Hey guys!
Hi, Rob.
Yo! Long time no see! Hey! Bro, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Listen, if I could request your contact details po and then signature.
Chucky, this is Jane. Alessa.
Where? Hi, Jane. Oh, sorry. Hi, Jane. Sorry, nandito na ako. Ito gusto ko sa Premier Lounge eh. Daming pagkain habang nagcha-check-in. Jerry, oh! Wow! Hey, man. Umagang-umaga. Alika, tinan mo lang. Umaga-umaga itong outfit. Yan, turn around, turn around.
Hi sa mga naaanoy.
May mga iba nagsasabi daw, misis ko, mukhang Maldita daw. Mukha bang Maldita yan?
She is.
Ano?
She is.
Maldita lang naman yan pag kinakailangan.
I am not Maldita.
Ching! Ay, baliktad. Oh, yes, ang lamig. Yun. So the name of this room is called the Fourth Suite. And actually, kung nakikita nyo to, this is a sofa. It's a sofa na nako-convert into a bed. So normally, pag nandito kami sa F1, ito yung pinagsistayan namin, tapos yung sofa ginagawang sofa bed. Para naman, dito matutulog yung panganay namin kasi napakalaki na kasi niya eh, no? Mas matangkad pa sa akin.
With Ella?
Yeah, with Ella. Magkatabi naman sila. And, well, meron kami magandang view ng BGC sa labas. Hey girls!
Hi.
Pipictorial kayo?
No. No.
And ito yung banyo. Well, pare-pareho lang naman talaga yung banyo dito. And it's very nice. It's typical banyo ng isang hotel. But very clean and very comfortable, lalo na pag gusto mo number 2. Well, they've got a hairdryer. Kompleto, lahat yan. Tapos, meron silang nice shower area. Perfect. Hey! Tuwing nandito kami sa F1 kasi may paboritong lungga talaga yung anak ko. Watch. Watch. Anong ginagawa mo dyan na naman?
It's so cold.
It's what?
It's cold.
Ano ba? Diyan ka talaga? Ang labo. Labo, no? Yeah, sige. Bye! Ito talaga yung weakness ko. Gusto may keso, may mani. Sod na ako. Kung hindi nyo lang alam, sobrang love ko talaga ang cheese and nuts. As in, sobra. Kaya kong kumain ng kesong sobrang dami hanggang masira ang tiyan ko. At kahit anong keso, mas mabaho, mas masarap. Oh! magandang gym dito sa F1 Hotel. Kaya every time we're here, nagde-decide ako talaga na mag-workout dito. I try to find time, sinisingit ko dito. But this time, I came more prepared. Nagdala ako ng aking supplements. Siyempre, dala ko yung fat burners ko. Pro Matrix 7 Multiple Source Protein. Whey protein. Thank you kay Dusty Marasigan. Thank you so much for always remembering us. Ayan. Perfect. Pang workout. Siyempre, kasama dyan yung aking Pro Matrix na mixer. Yung shaker ko. And asan ba yung Crea? Yeah, perfect! Ayan. At saka ang Pro Matrix Crea Pro Creatine Monohydrate. So, kapag seryoso kayo sa pag-workout, kapag gusto niyo magpa-laki ng katawan o magpapayat o whatever, gusto niyo lang magpa-fit, magpa-rip, don't forget, check niyo yung Pro Matrix na products. I'll leave the details on the description below para makita niyo, pati yung IG account nila ilalagay ko sa baba. Time for lunch. Hungry? Mukha ng gutom sa atin. Share face. Hey! Yo, man! Uy, happy Aniv, ha?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
So we're here at F Dining. Ito talaga yung place where you have lunch, you have breakfast. It's a place where you enjoy good food here at the F1 Hotel. So anyways, it's time for lunch. Kasama namin ang iba sa mga KTG. So I'm really looking forward to... Oh! What?
Lechon Cebu.
I know. Sorry.
Yan ang weakness ko eh, Lechon Cebu. Kung gusto ko kasi sa Lechon Cebu, kaya love na love ko yan. Kahit na hindi mo kainin yung balat, lasang-malasa yung laman. Tapos gagamitan mo lang siya ng suka. Sobrang sarap talaga. Dahil yung laman yan talaga very flavorful unlike other kinds of lechon.
Yan na naman.
Happy Aniv!
I thank you!
Yo, bro! Hello! Kiss, 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 kiss! Len! Yes!
Handa pa gamitin lang.
So I got some Cebu lechon. Syempre, I cannot resist cold cuts, mga ganyan. So I got a little bit of that. I got salmon, sashimi, kumuha ko ng tempura. Syempre, dahil lunch, pwede akong kumain ng medyo madami-dami. Kanin ako. I got a gift from the Bistro Group. Thank you. It's dedicated to Chucky Dreyfus. But anyways, it's not the name that matters, it's the thought that counts. Yes. Merry Christmas, mga belated Christmas pahabol. Oo naman. Thank you very much, Bistro Group. I love you guys. Mula sa inyo nagmamahal na Chucky Dreyfus. Yeah. This is our baby Ray. Hey, say hi. Hey, kiss mo na.
Despacito for
Yes.
Chucky, Despacito.
Despacito.
With the face, with the face.
Yeah.
One more.
Despacito. I love it. Galing. Look at Tito Chucky's camera. Despacito. Done with lunch. So, mag-workout na. Medyo nakapahinga na ako ng konti. So, ang ganda. Tagal.
Yeah.
Tan-tan-tan. Tagal mag-open ng door.
Nilabas mo na yung card mo kanina.
Nasa wallet ko eh. Oy. Alright. Bibis lang ako tapos workout. Hey! All set for the gym. Misis ko parang Baguio lang. parang mag-workout sa Baguio.
Because, meron pa. Galing ako trangkaso.
Oo nga naman.
And kailangan ko magpawis.
Yes. Dito ka lang? Yes, alright. Paano yung pack?
Pack gonna rin!
Alright, punta tayo sa gym. 3M. I need your card.
Full.
Sorry. Pasensya na. Hindi ako marunong magbasa. Mas wala tao sa chat. Solo! So, nandito kami sa fitness center ng F1 Hotel Manila. Of course, every time nasa hotel kami, nag-workout kami. Dahil nga, binigyan ako ng program ng coach ko, mag-workout na rin ako. Sige, tara, let's work out. Let's go. Tingnan mo, puro pictorial. 1 hour sa gym, 20 minutes workout, 40 minutes pictorial. Workout done, back in the room. At dahil isa lang ang banyo, unahan na naman ito. I'm all dressed up.
Really?
Yeah. Ready for the party of the KTG downstairs. Pero kami hirit. Anyways, I'm going to the party. And then after that, escape muna ako dahil merong reunion ng That's Entertainment ulit sa Salu. At sinisipon na ako. Hinawa kasi ako ng misis ko eh. Diba?
Yo.
May sipon na tubuyan kasi the past few days. Tapos, madalas pa ako hingan.
Hindi wala kasi talaga virus ko.
Kanina pa ako bumabahing sobra. Parang lumalala yung sipon ko. Nung nag-workout ako earlier, okay pa eh. Pero parang, simulang naligo ako, parang bahing ako ng bahing. Tapos talaga parang magra-runny nose na ako. I'm hoping hindi lumala. Baka mag-take na ako ng medicine in a bit. Natatakot na ako, baka antukin ako. But anyways, tuloy pa rin naman ang saya. May KTG party sa baba. Actually, dapat bumaba na kami ngayon. And then after that, pupunta ako sa part 2 ng reunion ng That's Entertainment. So, tara, samahan na lang ninyo ako. Let's go.
How are you? Kamusta bro?
Yes, how are you bro? Good. Kaway naman, yes. Super busog, dami ko nakain. You okay? Sarap? Siyempre, ka-table ko yung pinakamalakas kumain dito.
Ayan na naman. Ayan na naman, mga asar ka na naman eh.
Jibs Rivera, thank you very much for your gift. Banayad whiskey. Lasang blade. Perfect.
And the F1 Hotel, let's give them a round of applause. I think this is our 4th Christmas party together. And to all our guests, let's give a round of applause for the home of the KTG, the F1 Hotel. Thank you.
Morning. It's almost 9 a.m. Breakfast is at 10 a.m. And I woke up with a very painful throat.
Sorry.
Hawa yata ako sa sakit ng misis ko. I was thinking if I didn't want to have breakfast anymore, pero nagutom ako pagkagising ko eh. So, kakain na lang muna ako. Pero, masakit talaga yung throat ko. So anyways, tara, let's go have breakfast muna. Hopefully, mawala ng konti yung sakit ng lalamunan ko mamaya. Liwanag. So bright. Ang dami ng tao. It's time for breakfast. Thank God may bacon dito sa F1. Basta may bacon sa hotel, hindi ko pwede tanggihan.
Magandang umaga.
Good morning, Baby Rain. Ready to eat? Kaya mo na ba mag-despacito? Despacito. Oh, pareho tayo. May virus yata dito. Ang lakas mga hawa ni Mrs. eh. Tira mo.
Ano masasabi mo sa ating staycation ngayon?
Tinanong ako ni Mrs., are you done? Akala ko na gusto ko sa kwarto o baka ewan ko kung anong gusto niya. Sabi ko, you want something? Sabi niya, yeah, I want something. Sabi ko, what? What do you want? I want OOTD.
It's a girl thing.
Ha?
It's a girl thing.
It's a girl thing.
Yeah, kasi peningera ako.
Kaya naman pala nagbihis si Mrs. ng medyo sexy.
Sorry. This is how I normally dress. Yeah.
Yeah, so parang mo sinasabing, laging pang OOTD ang ano mo.
No, this is not even an OOTD attire, okay? Ito lang talaga ako normally.
So we're packing our stuff already and we're heading home. Actually, overnight lang kami dito. Picture taking muna kami, syempre, bago umalis. Check out na kasi. Hilig ni Macy's yan eh.
Talaga lang? Ako lang?
Well, it's been a wonderful weekend here at F1 Hotel Manila. Maraming salamat. The guys would like to say thank you, the Dreys. Thank you. Hey, Ala.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you very much, F1 Hotel Manila, for always accommodating us and for the warm hospitality year after year. Of course, I'd like to invite you guys to follow the KTG page. Also, maraming mga lifestyle, travel, and food bloggers doon. Marami kayong makukuha mga tips in mga restaurants na mga pwede nyong puntahan dito sa Metro Manila and outside of the country.
Yung iba nag-beauty blog na rin, so mga mahilig sa beauty products, you can always follow some of the KTG members.
Just in case you don't know, my wife's website is
www.tommytraveler.ph and Ralph's website is
ralphdreyfus.wordpress.com.
Tapos ako naman po, it's chuckydreyfus.ph. I'd like to invite you also to please follow me on Instagram at chuckydreyfus. And of course, on YouTube, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll leave all the details on the description below. Maraming ang kulit mo! Maraming salamat. I'd like to thank you, my viewers, for watching this video. And I will see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.